Have you ever wondered how to build a quality email list? Do you often wonder how to make content for your email list? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of using email marketing to build quality clients? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about building a quality email list. Now let's get into it. Take advantage of all touch points. First on the checklist for growing your email marketing list is to consider all touch points with your prospects. At each touch point, you should be asking prospects to join your subscription list, subscribe to your service, and/or register for a useful resource, like a white paper or webinar. Here is a checklist of places where you should be asking contacts to subscribe to your email marketing list. Email signatures. Create an email signature such as 3 reasons to subscribe to our email marketing tips newsletter, with a link to the subscription landing page. Ask all employees to include it in their corporate signature. All transactional emails. If you're confirming an order, paper download, or anything else, always ask people to join your subscription list or register. Product warranty/registration forms. Invoices. Add your list of contact information on every invoice. Are you sending electronic copies of invoices/sales receipts? If so, this is a perfect place to include a link to your sign-up page. Website. Every page should have an invitation to subscribe and a link to your email marketing registration page. Surveys, customer satisfaction surveys. Call center. Ask support and sales staff to ask customers and prospects if they'd like to subscribe to your newsletters and correspondence. Registration landing page contents. We've seen many customers whose registration landing page is a lonely form with a dozen contact fields. Make sure the registration landing page has the following contents. Make your case, clearly summarize the benefits. It sounds easy, but 3 out of 5 sites don't explain the benefits of signing up. Provide a link to a previous newsletter or 2, or links to a few teaser pieces of content. This lets your potential subscribers review your newsletter before they sign up and determine if it is something they'd be interested in. Clearly state your privacy policy and include a link to the details. Include 1 to 2 customer testimonies. Do not include a long list of links to other pages. This is distracting and your goal should be to drive prospects to sign up. Don't provide other distractions. Can you offer a relevant incentive? A free massage or t-shirt are nice options, but you'll just get people who like free t-shirts and massages. If you offer reports or pay for content, consider offering free access for subscribing. Use double opt-in. Also, indicate clearly on your registration page that a link will be sent to the person's email. This increases the likelihood that people enter a valid contact email address and reduces the likelihood of someone entering a spam honeypot address. Keep it simple. Ask for what's needed: email, first, last name, perhaps company and phone. Ideally include checkboxes or a memo field so people can state their specific interests, or provide a note. Most email service providers make it easy for to ask prospects to augment their profile later. Be a tease, use teaser content. A more viral approach is to make a limited amount of your content readily available without requiring registration to your email list. Then include information on the benefits of joining your email marketing list, along with subscription links. Chances are that your paper will be downloaded and passed around to many more people whom you would have otherwise not reached, allowing greater visibility and influence. You may have fewer direct registrations overall, but you gain broader visibility. Try combining the viral pass-around approach with standard registration for other content. If you are producing podcasts and webinars, be sure to include a plug with contact information, registration page access, and benefits. Shameless self-promotion. If you are creating contributed content, press releases, or blogs, here are a few opportunities to work in a bit of shameless self-promotion. Just don't over-message or oversell. Include information and a link to your newsletter and press releases, a good option for smaller companies. Include your company newsletter and other resources in the press release copy. Promote your email/newsletter in articles and article attribution. Include a reference and link to your newsletter after the byline on articles in trade publications. Mention in your blog. A link to your registration page is fair game. Use forward to a friend forms. Virtually every email service provider, ESP, includes a forward to a friend option, where you can include a link for recipients to forward their email to a friend or enemy. Forward to friend forms can help you add 2 to 4% more contacts to your list. Add social share links to your email marketing campaigns. Include social share links on every email and on high-value web pages on your site, so that recipients can easily share your great content, white papers, webinars, etc. Though this won't directly add contacts to your list, if you include contact information within the body of the document, interested recipients/readers are more likely to come to your site and register for future resources. Leverage your Twitter account. Assuming you already have a Twitter account, you do, don't you? Use it. You can send emails to your Twitter followers. Be cautious though, promotional emails are really highly frowned upon, so be informational and informative versus promotional when reaching out to Twitter contacts. Another Twitter tip: set up an auto-reply for people who follow you. Include a link to your site or newsletter registration page. Host white papers and webinars on SlideShare. SlideShare is quickly becoming the leading site for sharing documents like white papers, presentations, and webinar events. SlideShare now has the option to add a registration page to any of your uploaded documents. Create a minimal registration form and collect contacts. SlideShare is now one of the top 500 sites on the internet and gets north of 20 million page views/month as of this article. They have plenty of well-targeted traffic to get in front of it. Partner site co-registration. Partners and vendors that share a similar target market might consider a co-registration relationship. Ask your partners if they would consider putting a co-registration offer on the thank you page of their own online offers, in exchange for you adding the same on your relevant registration pages. For example, when new prospects sign up for a webinar, white paper, or email newsletter, or to attend a user conference, the page after they sign up might say, "Thank you, we have sent an email with a link to the requested paper. Would you also like to sign up for our partner's monthly newsletter?" Alternatively, consider offering a partner's paper, webinar, etc. on your sign-up pages. Email list acquisition. Avoid temptation. In a recent survey of marketing professionals, 63% of respondents said that they have bought one or more lists to grow their prospect database. Buying lists is a hotly debated topic. Most email marketers will strongly recommend against using anything other than a double opt-in name, and most ESPs, email service providers, require that you only send correspondence to names that have been acquired via opt-in procedures. Therefore, we recommend avoiding a straight-out list acquisition. However, where data providers can be very helpful is by augmenting and correcting your existing, opt-in, contacts to help you improve segmentation. For example, if your sign-up forms collect email, first plus last name, and perhaps company, consider using a list vendor to augment additional information that can be used to improve segmentation and audience targeting. This might include basic demographic information like title, gender, company, industry, or the number of employees in the company. Database/list vendors can also help clean up and normalize your data. For example, your registration forms might collect the recipient's first plus last name and company. The name Bill may be entered as Bill, William, etc. Good list vendors can help clean up your list for consistency. Other database vendors such as Hardhanks can provide you with information about specific product interests, hardware and software infrastructure installed at a given company, and much more, all of which can be used to better target your audience. More recently, some database vendors can append social contact information. If you provide an email address, they will provide the LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook profile/page. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video all about building a quality email list. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon at the next one.